Welcome back to the channel, Teacups. I can't get off this game because I am in a high limit room at Chinga, and I am still winning. So I'm playing 10 cents. Then I'm on a on a $10 bet. Let's see what we got. So we gonna pick touch the dragon lion, dancing lion. We're gonna touch the dancing lion. I'm gonna go with this one. Hopefully we pick right. Let's say we got 6 games. Let's go. Get this money. Let's get this money. I put $100 in. This is the game. Here's the progressives that we're looking for. 2 of 6 games. Look at that ticket, you guys. Look at that ticket. Add it up. I mean, I'm doing good tonight. I'm not begging as much because the high limit room is doing me right. I recommend when y'all come to Pachinga or any Yamava, go to the high limit room. Don't be scared. Scared money don't make money. Remember that. Gotta put a little money in. Take a little bit, put a little in the high limit room and win a lot. My ticket going. Sorry, I don't know what this game is called. I just know it's the Lightning Link. It's the Lightning Cash. But I don't know the name of the game. Because when you're in a bonus, it takes it away. So, yeah. You guys, I'm on fire tonight. I mean, I am on fire, making it rain, making it do what it do, baby. Yes. Okay, features completed. We got $290. All right, Teacup. I'm going to cash my ticket out. And if I get something else, I will be back. Here is my ticket. All right, Teacups. C'est la vie.